In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on PolyBuzz full guide. If you've just signed up for PolyBuzz or you're using it on a new device, changing the interface language can make everything feel more familiar. I'll walk you through the process from the very beginning, starting in your browser, and I'll share a few helpful tips so you know exactly what to expect. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. This is a quick way to get to the official PolyBuzz site without having to remember the exact address. In the search bar, type PolyBuzz and press Enter. You should see the official website appear near the top of the results. Look for the result that clearly says PolyBuzz and has the official domain. Click that to open the site. Once the PolyBuzz homepage loads, give the page a moment to finish rendering. Now look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon or a placeholder avatar if you're not signed in yet. Right next to that, there's a language setting control. It may appear as a globe icon, a flag, or a short language code like EN, ES, or FR. Go ahead and click that language control to open the language menu. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll if you need to and choose the language you want to use for the interface. When you click your preferred language, PolyBuzz will immediately apply the change. You'll notice the navigation labels, buttons, menus, and system messages switch to the language you selected. There's usually no save button required here. Your choice takes effect right away. If the interface doesn't refresh instantly, give it a second or two, or refresh the page to let the new language fully load. On mobile, the language option is still in the top area, but if you don't see it, open the main menu first and look near your profile items. The control is the same and works the same way. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. Changing the language affects the PolyBuzz interface, not the user-generated content you see in posts. Also, your language preference is typically remembered for your account or in your browser, so the next time you sign in on this device, it should stay in the language you chose. If you ever want to switch back, simply repeat the same steps and pick a different language. And that's it. You now know the fastest way to change the language on PolyBuzz and make the interface work for you.